Hi guys, today I'm showing you a review of the Kosmos Cyborg hand. It's XXL, 10 to 14. There are many features in this that I want to show you today. I made it a few days ago in one day, and this is the box of it. Let's begin. I'll put the box away for now. Starting off, this is a right hand use, and first I'll show you how it works. We have a system of hydraulics here, and it works like this. And the hydraulics have springs, so when I pull this, it goes, but then it pops back up, so I don't have to push it back up. So the hydraulics work. When I push this down, it moves the finger, but the way it moves is it pushes this white thing down, and that white thing connects to this yellow one, which then, because this is going down, this white part goes up. When this goes up, it pumps water into the hose. The hose will pump the water into this hydraulic syringe, which then will push this white part up. But the black part also moves, because when this syringe goes up, it's connected to this. That will push this little yellow thing up, and because this cannot go up, it comes down. And that's how the fingers work. The thumb is the same way, but it's slightly bigger, and it can change its positioning. So, I'll show you. The thumb can come off like this system, and it can go back in the middle to make it holding from the middle. I can also make it left-handed by changing a few stuff, and I will show you that at the end of the video, but for now it's going to stay right-handed. Now, for these fingers, we can move the fingers. So this is number 3. All of them are really, really close together. Then if I move them like this, it's number 2. There's a bit of a gap. And then this is number 3. There's a large gap. Okay, so now we can move the fingers up and the 2 side fingers down. So there's also this thing that makes the fingers move. And I'll keep it in this positioning because I'm going to pick something up. Normally, it's a bit hard to pick it up like this. But this can pick it up easily. But it's very hard to pick it up like that because it's basically impossible for my age. But with this, you can easily pick it up. Okay. Now to show you how to make it left-handed. So, to make it left-handed, firstly we have to swap the thumb. We have to pull this, let's zoom in a bit. So we have to pull this yellow thing up, and then we can remove it. Now, we're gonna disconnect this hydraulic tube here. And we're gonna take this out. This red thing can come out. It's a bit hard, but it can come out. And then we have to put it in this other one. Then, now we have to take the syringe, attach it here with this, exactly in the middle. And we should not push it like this or else it can snap. So like that. Now, it's for left hand, but we still need to change some more parts. We're going to leave the thumb like this for now and focus on this part. We have to take away the red one and the black one. Turn the black one around, put it in this. Turn the red one around and put it in here. Okay, now we can attach the thumb into this one. To do that, we have to put this black part in that little groove there. And then we have to push this yellow thing, kind of squeeze it down. Now it's there. The last part, this hose is sticking out. So we have to put it in this black part on the bottom side to fix it there. Now we can use it with our left hand. Like that. But for me it's a bit hard because the syringes take a bit of power. But now I can also pick it up with the left hand. The box is here. I first have to screw this. I think that's about the right size. Pull it here, pick it up. You can even pick it up on the other side, like that. So that's how this Kosmos Cyborg hand works. And well, that's the end. Bye.